Hey, this is Kyle at Air Power, here in the Air Power Finishing Lab in High Point, North Carolina, and we just received our new Stellair Automatic Spray gun. A few things you need to know about this gun. It is an automatic gun with manifold mount, and this is the HVLP version. So first thing you'll notice when you receive your box, you will have your Stellair Auto gun. This is the HVLP version with the manifold mount. Also in the box, you will find all of the fittings necessary to mount your gun and get ready to spray. As well as the Graco STELLAIR Auto manual. Now let's talk a little bit about the Stellair Auto gun. So this gun here is a new gun by Graco. There's really three things you need to know about the Stellair Auto gun. So the first thing you will notice, this is an automatic gun, so this is going to be placed affixed some part of your line, and maintenance is a concern. Downtime is a big concern on automatic lines. So Graco, you can take off the air cap, has created a single cartridge replacement. So for a maintenance aspect, this is a very quick and easy way to maintain your gun. You thread out and then you replace your cartridge and you have a fully operational automatic spray gun again. The second thing you need to know about this gun is it has a reduction of flush volumes. Based on the design of the gun, you can reduce waste through flushing of the Stellair Auto. And the third thing to denote, the ease of use and repeatability of the Stellair Auto guns. It has a clocking mechanism within the gun to make sure that you set the auto gun back at the same location each time. In order to do that, you use the Stellair alignment toolkit. You align your gun, you remove the kit, and then whenever you have to service this gun, you're able to go back and realign to the proper position every time. So this is the Stellair Auto gun, HVLP, new in the box and ready to get to work.